Honda CR-V first generation, and today we're going to replace the sway bar links connectors. Let's get started. My wheels are choked, vehicle are up, and on the jack stands, make sure we're safe to go underneath, and I have both tires removed. That way we don't have any pressure on a sway bar. Links will be easy for the removal, and I have already replaced the sway bar link on a driver's side. Same way I'm going to show you how I did it. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and yeah, it's a good demonstration. Let's get started. And first we have to turn our steering wheel all the way to the left, and we're going to replace the sway bar connecting link on the passenger side. Here we go. Lower control arm, sway bar, and that part is sway bar connecting links, connecting two of those parts together. All right, this is a old one I have removed. I just cut it, that stud, with a zippy cutter. Pretty easy. Yeah, okay, you have to be careful not to cut into the lower control arm or tie rod. If you use the bigger disc, that's way will be easier. All right, let's start cutting. If you have any questions, comments, critiques, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Here we go. Bottom part is almost cut all the way through. Yeah, let's tap it with a hammer, and good. Yeah, bottom is free. Now we have to cut a stud from the sway bar. Same way. Yeah, just pay attention, make sure you're not cutting into the lower control arm or tie rod. Yes, just be careful. Yeah, this is just a demonstration. I know there's hundreds different ways to do the same thing. It works for me. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, as you can see, that old sway bar link is removed. We have to grind a little bit of metal before we can punch it out. The rest of the stud, nice. Yeah, halfway through the process, everything's removed. Now time to get new one installed, but let's grease the new one. I like this one with the grease nipples. I can maintain this part, and every oil change I do a couple squirts of grease. Yep. Okay, Xerox are installed. Let's grease our new part. Grease is our best friend. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, let's wipe excessive grease, make sure everything's clean. Nice. Yeah, if this video is helpful, put a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Let's bend the studs down and up like that. That way will be easier to fit it in. It will go, yeah, no problem. Okay, I'm going to pry my sway bar a bit up and fit the link on the bottom first into the control arm, and then align the hole on the sway bar with the upper part. Yeah, and tap it carefully with a hammer. When you align it, it will go, no problem. As soon as it started, if it doesn't go, pry it a bit and it will be okay. Yeah, be careful not to damage the threads, otherwise you won't be able to start a nut. As you can see, everything's going like a butter. Pretty good. I started one nut, and let's start another one on the bottom. And this nut has a nylon washer. It means it won't get loose. I will put a torque specs down in the description under the video. Check it out. Yeah, time to tie the nut. Yeah, click that notification bell and you won't miss any new CR-V videos. I have quite a few more coming up. Yeah, let me know how you do it, and maintain your reliable old Honda CR-V. Keep it on the road, and this vehicle won't ever let you down. Yeah, this Honda late 90s, early 2000s build to last almost forever. Here we go, well done. Everything's tight. Yeah, as you can see, nothing is really difficult, and we have to put the rest of the parts back together, and yeah, no more clunking, and vehicle is good to go. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Appreciate it, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye now.